I'm Salvatore Formisano, and I am representing the FDA. So, the United States is one of the leading countries for any new animal drug treatment. Close second comes in with Europe, and also even with Australia and New Zealand, they are both kind of powerhouses in the medical field. However, we will not just accept any new drug from them. They have to go through our own process before they are approved. And right here, I have Title 21, Volume 6, and this is kind of just like a little piece of it. And I just wanted to briefly explain exactly what a termination process for a new animal drug would be. So basically, we have our commissioner of the FDA, and we also have our sponsor, and the sponsor is kind of like the company that's making the drug or testing it. So once all the information is given to the FDA, they review it, and if the commissioner thinks there's anything wrong with it, or if there's been any issues with statutes or processes, the drug automatically gets terminated, and there's an exemption process. And basically what this is that the sponsor is able to come forward and be able to fix the issue right then and there. However, if the sponsor is unable to do so, the commissioner will then terminate the new drug. And I will.
My name is Jerica DeLong, and I'm a cattle producer from Colorado. As a cattle producer, our operation trusts the current FDA drug approval process. We know that they've done their research to ensure vaccines will help keep our animals healthy, antibiotics will help our cattle recover from sickness quickly, and most importantly, allow us to sell healthy cattle that are safe for human consumption. We work closely with our local veterinarian to decide what medications will be best suited for our operation. It is our responsibility as cattle producers to make sure we are using medications according to label instructions and following appropriate withdrawal times before selling cattle.
Hi, my name is Haley Cole, and I'm a representative of the PETA organization. Every year within the United States, over 100 million animals are used for animal testing. In a survey done by Centerpool, 52% of Americans were against animal testing, and the other 48% were only for animal testing if it was for medical advancement. However, the animals used are not biologically the same as humans, therefore, they're wasting the animals' lives by trying to prevent or cure diseases. That agree to the studies for animal testing are that they only care about the bottom line and not the individual animal that may be affected in this study.
So as producers, when we agree to participate in an FDA drug approval study, they take such a small percentage of our herd that it doesn't affect the general welfare of the rest of the population. And if an animal is not responding to the treatment from the study, it is removed from the study immediately and other courses of action are taken.
I'd also like to add, if any animal does die in result of the treatment, the producer does get compensated fair market value for such of the animal. Along with, we also have many different regulations for on how the test is supposed to be administered, who administers it, the withdrawal period, maximum duration of the administration, and we just have a lot of things in place that actually protects the animal from the drug.